how to tell if you have been blocked on Android text. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also suspicious of someone who has not been seeing your messages, or simply you cannot message them, that might be the symptom that the particular person has blocked you. So to find out about that, you can actually head over to your messages application and just open any of the chat or the specific person chat to whom you might find suspicious. So just try to send the text to that particular person, and for some reason if you can't send the message to that particular person, then in that case there might be the chances that the person has blocked you. And you can also try actually calling that particular person which you just saved. And when you try to call that particular person, and if they cannot receive your call, or your caller tune says something like the person is unreachable, so there might be case or symptom that the person has blocked you. So those are the legit ways to verify that. So if you ever encounter such options or such cases, there is a high chance that you have been blocked on your Android text. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.